Hello to everybody, and thanks for joining us this week. I'm Hunter Williams.
And I'm Amanda Reynolds.
Now, Amanda, we've seen some crazy weather over the past couple of days. We have Joaquin, historic flooding in South Carolina, just a lot going on.
Yeah, I know many parts of South Carolina saw upwards of 24 inches of rain over the past few days. Our temperature high was 86 today, a little bit above the average of 84. I'm Amanda Reynolds here in Sylvania for the Pizza Palooza for this weekend. It's a great weekend for this festival. Back towards the west, it is a little bit cooler with temperatures in the lower 80s. You can see looking towards Happy Valley, you can see that dense valley fog. So this is looking above the fog, and this is looking through the fog. This is a live look at our Arboretum cam. You can see not really much of anything. We've all heard about the historic flooding that took place in South Carolina just a few weeks ago. This occurred due to a very specific set of situations all occurring together. The last couple of weeks, the story has been lots of sunshine. That is changing. We have received 6.16 inches of rain, over 3 inches more than normal. The Pizza Palooza will be open from 5 to 11 both today and tomorrow. Our very own Jay Birchback will be here tonight judging the contest. We do have the relatively high dew points around 64, which is leading to it feeling relatively humid. And this is why you can see this high pressure system that's keeping those clouds at bay. A little cooler back towards Erie, only 59, 54 in Bradford and Franklin, and a touch warmer down towards the southeast. Philadelphia already in the mid 70s at around 9 a.m. this morning. And that's leading to, again, that humidity, feeling like it's very sticky, very muggy outside. Guests can cast their vote for their favorite pizza here this weekend, today and tomorrow from 5 to 11. Your forecast for tomorrow, again, lots of sunshine, a little bit more breezy with winds out of the west at around 10 to 20 miles per hour, and it will be a little bit cooler with highs only around 81. Zooming out, you can see not really much else. That cold front that moved through yesterday and brought that rain has now pushed off the coast. Thanks for tuning back in. We now have Kat and Amanda from the Weather Risk Management Club here to talk about the El Nino. Welcome to the show, guys. Looks to be a beautiful day for football. Temperatures around 83, maybe feeling a little bit warmer with that humidity, but again, mostly sunny skies are expected and looks to be a great day for football. While we're having these warm and humid conditions, you can see this high pressure system back to our southwest is turning in warm and humid air into Pennsylvania. So your forecast for today here in State College looks to be around 70 degrees, significantly warmer than is average for this time of year. Average temperatures around 63 degrees, so it'll feel quite nice as the last couple of days have felt relatively chilly again. But for tonight, clear and comfortable around 60 degrees. You can see this full moon still will be easily visible in the sky. The blue moon was last night, but you'll still be able to see a little bit of it tonight, but you can see this whole big complex is moving up through the northeast, and that is bringing some flooding concerns. We have now been dropped from the flood watch that we were under yesterday. As is shown by this map, California and the Southwest are in the most critical position, but areas such as the Gulf Coast as well as parts of the Northwest are seeing the impacts as well. And that's due to a little bit of that daytime heating. As the ground heats up, that air rises and creates some of those thunderstorms that are possible. Although for Friday, it does look to be quite wet. But the good news is it is looking dry for homecoming, and I'll have more on all of those in just a minute. Good afternoon, Center County. I'm student meteorologist Amanda Reynolds here with your Campus Weather Service forecast for this Thursday, September 17th, 2015. Looking at our Beaver Stadium cam, you can see looking actually pretty beautiful out there as we've seen the last couple of days. Just a few scattered clouds up in the sky. Current temperatures here in State College coming in at 79 degrees. We do have winds relatively calm at this hour. Looking at temperatures across central Pennsylvania, see most of the area in the lower 80s, but just a few areas in the upper 70s. And zooming out for the rest of the Commonwealth, you can see that's pretty much the same story. Down towards the southeast, a tad warmer. Harrisburg, Allentown, and Philadelphia all at 85, while back towards north central, northwestern Pennsylvania, most of those areas are in the upper 70s. Now these are the temperatures. Now look at the feels like temperatures. very similar, and that's mostly because we have these relatively low dew points. Remember just a couple weeks ago when we were talking about dew points in the mid and upper 60s? Well, look at these dew points have dropped back significantly, which is making it feel relatively nice out there. Dew points in the lower 50s for most of the area, and just a few areas with dew points in the upper 40s. Looking at your current radar and satellite, as I kind of alluded to earlier, not really much in the way of clouds or precipitation here in Pennsylvania right now, but looking back towards the west, we can see these showers and storms that are associated with a cold front that will be making its way towards us for this weekend. So your forecast for tonight here in State College looks to be mostly clear. Temperatures in the lower 50s, around 54 degrees here in State College. The winds relatively light, very similar to what we've seen the last couple of nights. And again, tomorrow, more of the same what we've seen for this past week. Temperature around 81 for tomorrow with, again, abundant sunshine and the relatively calm winds. Looking forward to this weekend, the game day forecast versus Rutgers for Penn State football. For much of the morning and afternoon, it looks to be very beautiful, lots of sunshine, warming up to around 82 degrees by around 4 p.m. 8 p.m. is the kickoff, and we are expecting a few more of those clouds to build in by kickoff at 8 p.m. with temperatures cooling down a little bit as the sun does begin to set. Also associated with that cold front, we are looking for some showers and storms possible towards the end of game time and closer to midnight, with those showers and storms beginning to move in. But looking at your 7-day forecast, the next couple of days look very beautiful. Temperatures in the lower 80s, but with that passing of the cold front Saturday night and into early Sunday morning, we are expecting a pretty significant cool off, dropping down to around 74 for Sunday and cooling down into the mid 60s for Monday and Tuesday before we rebound a little bit back up into the lower 70s. For the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Amanda Reynolds. Have a terrific Thursday.